tired of using this ugly old doorstop, and also it was causing a little bit of damage. But I didn't want to screw anything into my wood at all on the back side. Okay, so I wanted this magnetic doorstop on the back of my door, but I thought this one might be too big, and I didn't want to screw anything into the wood on my door. And so it came with these 3M, and those got pretty good reviews about how well they stuck, so I thought I'd give it a shot. But then this magnetic doorstop seemed smaller. So there's the comparison between the two. So I ordered these separately off of Amazon, since they're the same 3M foam, it looked like. And I got this full pack for like less than $7, I think. And give it a try on my door so I wouldn't have to screw holes into the wood. Not only did I not want to drill holes in my wood, but I also didn't want to do anything permanent to the tile, trim on the wall. So what I did was use the smaller and shorter magnetic doorstop. I was able to easily attach it with the double sticky tape, and I didn't have to drill any holes into the wood or even the metal strip. And the other side is stuck to the wall here, and it works really well. It softens the opening and sticks. Holds really tight too. No more slamming doors. You have to give it a pretty good pull to get it to detach. I really love it. It's awesome. I recommend it. This was a simple little project, but I hope it was helpful for you. If so, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.